Emotion is the undercurrent of experience. It moves beneath every thought, every decision, every moment of your life. Sometimes quiet, sometimes overwhelming, sometimes soft as breath, sometimes sharp as lightning. To understand emotion is to understand how we navigate the world, because before we think, before we speak, before we choose, we feel. What you feel shapes what you see. It shapes what you remember. It even shapes who you believe you are. The ocean of emotion invites us to slow down and explore what it means to feel clearly, deeply, and wisely. Let's begin with the question, what is emotion? Science tells us that emotions are biological signals, the body's way of saying, this matters. They begin as shifts in the nervous system. The amygdala activates, hormones flood the bloodstream, muscles tense or relax. The heart changes rhythm. But emotions are not just bodily events. They are messages. They carry meaning. They help us respond, connect, survive. Fear protects us. Joy draws us closer. Sadness slows us down so we can grieve, reflect, heal. Emotions are not problems to solve. They are signals to listen to. Still, emotions can be intense, confusing, and hard to regulate, especially when we haven't learned how. So, in this ocean, we will explore not just what emotions are, but how to work with them. We'll explore the biology and psychology of emotion, how emotions arise, how they affect perception, and why they matter for survival. Later, we'll dive into emotional regulation and resilience. We'll learn how to stay steady in the storm, how to expand our window of tolerance, and how to meet ourselves with gentleness when emotion surges. Then we'll turn outward to empathy, compassion, and connection. Because emotions don't just shape our inner world, they shape our relationships, our communities, our culture. We'll reflect on how to understand others more deeply, how to co-regulate with those we care about, and how to build a life where feeling is not something to fear, but something to honor. Emotions can be overwhelming, but they can also be wise. They are not in the way of your growth. They are the way.